Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about factoring trinomials, which is the reverse of FOIL. So on Wednesday we started working on the reverse of distribution, which was factoring by GCF. Then we practiced that yesterday. Today we're going to work on reverse FOILing or trinomial factorization. So we call this the AM method because it is adding and multiplying. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for numbers that are going to add to our middle term and numbers that are going to multiply to our end term. So we're always looking for numbers. If things are written out of order, we're always looking for numbers that multiply to the number without the variable. So not to the coefficients, but to the regular constant number. So I'm looking for numbers that multiply to 8. So what I want to do is I want to list all my factors of 8. So 1 and 8, 2 and 4. I also want to include how I can do that with signed numbers or integers. And in order to get a positive 8, I know my signs have to be the same, either both positive signs or both negative signs. Now, of these choices, I want to pick what adds to 6. So what adds to 6 is 2 and 4. So I break that up into two sets of parentheses. And I break up the first letter. If it's x, I put x in each. If it's x squared, I put x in each. If it's y, I put a y in each. And then I add in my factors that I just found. So if I want to check this, I would FOIL it. So I would do x times x, x times 4, 2 times x, and 2 times 4. Then I combine like terms. Oh look, everything matches, so I did a good job. So this is called trinomial factorization, or just factoring. And remember, that was FOIL. So factoring is the reverse of FOIL. So if I want to try number 1, I'm going to add to 5, multiply to 6. So it's a positive 6. So I'm going to list all the numbers that multiply to give me positive 6. Do any of these add up to 5? Yep, these ones do. Two sets of parentheses, an x in each, then a plus 2, and a plus 3. To check it, I FOIL. First, outers, inners, lasts. Combine like terms. Compare. Yep, it worked. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause this or rewind it. Number 2. Add, multiply. Now it's nice in the back when I have a prime number because I don't have a lot of choices for factors. So it adds to 6, 5 and 1. Parentheses, parentheses, x plus 5, x plus 1. Okay, and then of course we would FOIL it if we want to check it. Let's keep going with the factoring. Okay, again, nice because I have a prime number in the back, so that means I have very limited factors. So I have 2 and 1, and negative 2 and negative 1. What adds to 3? 2 and 1. Parentheses. This time I'm going to put a y in to start because I have y's, not x's. And then a plus 2 and a plus 1. Now over here in number 4, I'm going to use a's, so you could set that up if you want. So now I want to add to negative 1, multiply to negative 2. So I have 1 and negative 2, and negative 1 and positive 2. I want to add and end up with a negative 1. So these are my factors. So plus 1 minus 2. Let's check that one because it's a little different. First, outers, inners, lasts. Combine like terms, checks. Okay. Number 5. All the factors of negative 12. 1 and negative 12. Negative 1 and 12. 2 and negative 6. Negative 2 and 6. 3 and negative 4. Negative 3 and 4. I want to add and get a negative 4. There's the pair I want. So x plus 2, x minus 6. It's a minus 6, so it's a negative 6 over here as a factor. I can check it in my head. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, and 2 plus negative 6 is going to give me negative 4. Over here, add to negative 5, multiply to 6. So I either have to have positives or negatives for both numbers. So I list my factors. There's what I want. C minus 2 and C minus 3. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. So I'm done. That's it, guys. You keep practicing. Let's see. Is there any others I want to do? Let's look at 12. So add to negative 3, multiply to negative 10. So I've got negative 10 and 1, 10 and negative 1. Sorry, I had to sneeze and really did not want to sneeze in the microphone and blow your ears out. So hopefully you survived that without going or hurting your ears. Alright, so negative 3 is what I want to add to, so these are my factors. So k minus 5 and k plus 2. And then, of course, to check, FOIL it out, or just multiply, add. Alright, that's it. You guys are going to do 51 and 52 for homework. So go ahead, start 51 and 52. If you need to rewatch the video, rewatch it, and of course you can watch it at home as well. Alright guys, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.